Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today we will discuss a most important headline featured in the Hindu newspaper titled as A New Triple Alliance in West Asia. This article discusses the newly signed Makkah Agreement under which Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and Turkey have established a trilateral defense and security framework. The agreement has attracted global attention because many experts believe it could reshape the security architecture of West Asia and signal the emergence of a new regional power bloc. The Makkah Agreement was signed on 7th of August 2026 in the holy city of Makkah by Saudi Crown Turkish President and Pakistan's Prime Minister. The agreement is built on two key principles, that is collective security and collective deterrence. In simple terms, the three countries have pledged that an attack on one member will be treated as an attack on all three. This principle is similar to NATO's concept of collective defense, making it one of the most significant security arrangements to emerge in West Asia in recent years. The question, however, is why these three countries decided to form such a new alliance. The answer lies in the rapidly changing geopolitical environment of West Asia. For decades, Saudi Arabia relied heavily on United States for its security. However, confidence in American security guarantee has gradually declined over the past few years. The 2019 attack on Saudi oil facilities by Iran-backed Houthis exposed the limitation of US protection as Washington's response was viewed as insufficient by Riyadh. Since then, Saudi Arabia has increasingly looked for alternative security partnerships to protect its strategic interests. At the same time, regional instabilities has intensified. The continuing rivalry between Saudi Arabia and Iran, repeated Houthi attacks, and Israel-Hamas conflict, growing tension between Israel and Iran, and the border instability across West Asia have all increased security concerns. Although Saudi Arabia restored diplomatic relations with Iran in 2023 through China's mediation, the region remained highly volatile. These developments encouraged Saudi Arabia to diversify its strategic partnership rather than depend entirely on the US. Turkey also has strong strategic reason for joining this alliance. As a NATO member with a rapidly expanding defense industry, Turkey possesses advanced military capabilities, including sophisticated drone technology and modern defense manufacturing. President of Turkey has long sought to expand Turkey's influence in West Asia. A closer partnership with Saudi Arabia provides Ankara with a greater strategic space in the world while strengthening its position amid growing concern about Israel's military action and regional instability. Pakistan, the third member of the alliance, contributes a unique strategic advantage. It is only nuclear-armed country in the Muslim world, making nuclear deterrence one of the alliance's most significant strengths. Following recent tension with India and growing regional security challenges, Pakistan has been seeking stronger defense partnership to enhance its strategic position. Through this agreement, Pakistan gained greater diplomatic and strategic influence, while Saudi Arabia and Turkey benefit from its nuclear deterrence capabilities. When we look at the combined strength of these three countries, the alliance become even more significant. Saudi Arabia contribute enormous financial resources and energy wealth as one of the world's largest oil exporter. Pakistan bring nuclear capability and strategic military importance. Turkey contribute advanced military technologies, defense manufacturing, and NATO experience. Together, these strengths create a combination of financial power, military capabilities, and strategic depth that would substantially influence the regional balance of the power. However, it is important to understand that this agreement also has certain limitations. Although the alliance promotes collective defense, it does not automatically guarantee military intervention in every conflict. For example, if Saudi Arabia becomes involved in a conflict with Iran, Pakistan and Turkey are not legally obligated to participate militarily. Similarly, if the tension between India and Pakistan escalates in the future, Turkey is not automatically required to intervene. Therefore, while the agreement strengthens strategic cooperation and deterrence, its practical implementation will depend on the specific circumstances of each crisis. The broader significance of the Makkah Agreement extends beyond these three countries. Many analysts believe it reflects the gradual transition of West Asia from a US dominated security system towards a more multipolar regional order, where regional powers increasingly rely on one another instead of an external power. This development is being closely monitored by countries such as India, Iran, Israel, and the United Arab Emirates, as it has the potential to reshape regional alliance, defense cooperation, and future geopolitical competition.